Good day everyone. So I'm here again for us to have a video tutorial. Okay, so let us have first a recall. So we are going to determine if the given relation is a function or not function. Okay, so let's proceed. So I will give you first the set of ordered pairs, and then later you will see some of the mapping diagram, okay, and table. Okay, so this one we have, is this a function or not function? Correct. Your answer should be not function. Okay, next we have here the set of ordered pairs again. So is it a function or not function? So your answer should be correct, function. Next, we have here a table. So is this a function or not function? Correct. It is not function. Okay, because of x is always 3. Next, we have here the table again. So is it a function or not function? Correct. It is a function. Next, we have this one. Is it a function or not function? Okay, correct. That is a function. Okay. How about this mapping diagram? Is it a function or not function? Okay, correct. That is a function. Next, we have this one. Function or not function? Correct. This is not function. Okay. So, since I have observed that you already knew how you are going to determine if the given sets of ordered pairs, table, or mapping diagram is a function or not function, so this day we are going to have the domain and range. Okay, so let's proceed. When we say domain, what is your idea again about domain? Correct. When we say domain, that is the set of all x values. Okay, how about the range? Correct. When we say range, that is the set of all y values. Okay, so let us have our example. Okay, so I have here the set of ordered pairs. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. Okay, so let us have the domain. Again, a while ago, we have said that the domain is the set of all x values. So what will be the set of domain here? Correct. So we have 1, 2. Okay, so instead of writing 1 3 times and instead of writing 2 3 times also, so you will just write 1 once and 2 once. Why? Because they are just the same. Okay? So when we say set, that will just be the value of your x and y. Okay? So let's now proceed with range. What should be our range in the given set of ordered pairs? Correct. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay? Is there any question? Did you get it? Okay, so I hope you got it. So how about this one? Find the domain and range of the following relation. We have correct. So our domain will be A, B, C, E. Okay, next, how about the range? Correct. That should be 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Let's have here again a set of ordered pairs. What will be our domain? Correct. We have 2. How about the range? Okay, correct. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next. So we have here another set of ordered pairs. So we have the domain should be correct. We have 0, 3, negative 5, 4. And the range will be correct. 0, negative 1, negative 5. Next, we have this table. The domain will be correct, 3. And the range will be correct, 5, negative 2, 1, negative 3. Next, we have this one. What will be the domain? Correct. We have 0, 4, 7, 6. And the range will be correct, 1. Okay, next. This one. Okay, so we have the domain will be 2, 5, 8, 1. The range will be correct. We have negative 8, 3, 2. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, so let's proceed. This mapping diagram. We have the domain will be correct. We have negative 2, 1, 5, negative 3. And the range will be 2, negative 4, 1, negative 2 is correct. Okay, next. How about this mapping diagram? What will be our domain? Correct. We have 5, negative 3. How about the range? We have 4, negative 4, 1, negative 2 is correct. Next. So let's have this oral exercise. So I hope you already mastered how you are going to determine or give the domain and the range of the sets of ordered pairs, table, and mapping diagram. Okay, so we have here the set of ordered pairs. Okay, so we have the domain and the range will be, okay, correct. So let's take a look on the domain. So we have the domain will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the range will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, number 2, we have the domain will be, correct, 0 and the range will be, correct, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, number 3, we have, correct. So we have the domain will be negative 5, negative 2, 1, 4, 7. And the range will be negative 2, 0, 2. Next, number 4, we have, okay, so again, let's have the domain and range. Correct. We have domain will be 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And the range will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is correct. Next, number 5, we have, okay, the domain will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the range will be negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Okay, is there any question? Okay, so again, those are all set of ordered pairs. Okay, so how about if we have this mapping diagram? Okay, so we have the domain in number 1 and the range will be, okay, correct. So we have the domain will be negative 2, 0, 2, and the range will be negative 5, negative 1, 8, 9, 10. Next, number 2, the domain will be, correct, 0, and the range will be 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. Next, number 3, domain and range. Okay, so we have the domain will be negative 2, 0, 1, 2, and the range will be negative 5, negative 1, 0, 6. And in number 4, what will be our domain and range? Okay, so our domain will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Range will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, any question? So, I will not give you exercises about the table because it is very obvious if you are going to have the domain and range in using a table because obviously your X will be your domain and your Y will be your range. Okay? So, that's all for this day. Thank you.